everybody.
Who wants to have some fun?
GitHub Universe is whimsy.
Becomes a mod is homecoming.
It is like magical. I'd say camaraderie.
Everybody from every company is using GitHub. They have a very good reason to be here because this is where the developers are.
Thumbs up. Excellent.
Being a first-time speaker, I felt encouraged at the beginning of the process to just get something in. If I got a good idea, let the people at GitHub decide if that's really interesting enough.
I was nervous that I wouldn't have something to talk about. It turns out there's a lot of things that I do every day that we're talking about. There's someone that's out there that's going to connect with the way that you present and going to connect with the topic that you want to speak to.
You don't have to be a world-renowned speaker. The way you bring your own self to how you talk makes people listen to what you have to say. Be authentic because people will flock.
Never question that somebody else could benefit from that knowledge when you come here.
The team that I worked with was really great in helping me get organized beforehand.
They had a portal that I could use that basically like lined everything up step by step. Knowing when things were needed, having the tech check, preparing with GitHub Universe team was very helpful. I felt very supported.
They gave us some time with a speaking coach. It was actually a brilliant experience.
Everybody in the room, when you're in a group of developers, want you to succeed.
Everyone was really accommodating. The community welcomed us with open arms.
The relationships that you make at these events are going to pay dividends for the rest of your career.
GitHub Universe is the perfect place to come to as a developer looking to advance in your career.
We are learning together and also learning from each other.
Being a speaker at GitHub Universe is thrilling.
Thank you. I like that.
It's a warm feeling, and I've just been excited just to be here, so join the excitement.
Happy Coding Universe.